So I came downstairs, and you have a great room with the room off of it, and straight ahead you have the garage. And I just did a quick look around, and I don't see any real reason down here as to why things upstairs are leaning or cracking. I have insulated the pipes, probably copper. This is a little bit of mold. A little bit of wet in the corner. Usually that's a gutter issue. It doesn't smell damp in here. I have it in that corner too. A little bit of cracks under, so water does get under here a little bit.